Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids. After that, install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one, click on Settings at the top, and click on I accept in First Things First pop-up. Over here you can check out all of those options, and when you're ready, click on the top right corner. Then access bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and tap on the best option for you. In my case, home screen only. Lastly, swipe up from the button of your screen and click on Home button. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!